Amazon is one of the best e-commerce business in the world, and this affiliate program is well established in the industry too. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to start with Amazon Associates, how to choose your niche, and most importantly, the different platforms you can promote on to start earning revenue. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is come over to AmazonAssociates.com so you can sign up. And it should be this screen right here when you come, sign up, recommend, earn, and once you're here, just hit sign up. It's really easy to sign up for it. So if you have an Amazon account, which I'm pretty sure most people do, you can just hit sign in with that account, or you can create your new Amazon account if you don't have one. So I have one, so I'm gonna hit sign in. Right here is just your account information, whatever your address is and everything. It's gonna have it for you already. So you just hit next. And then for your website address, this is not really that important. Like, so let's say you got a TikTok or Instagram account or Twitter, whatever you have, just go to that website, copy the link, and then paste it here. So I'm gonna go to TikTok, and then I'm gonna go to my profile. So I'm gonna hit view profile, and then it's up here, this link. I'm gonna copy it, come back over to Amazon and paste it in right here. Click add and then hit next. So right here it's gonna say, what is your preferred associate store ID? You can just put in your first and last name. So I'm just gonna put in Silk Rondre and tell us about the content you create. You can just put in a few sentences about like the content you create. And if you don't create none, just like, let's say you want to promote pianos or instruments or tech or something, just put in something around that. This really don't matter. They're most likely gonna accept you, so just put in a few sentences. So I just said I promote content in the gaming niche. I'm pretty sure the link I got was from the motivational niche, so it don't really matter. And next you just want to put in what best describes it. So this, like I said, this whole part doesn't matter, so just click on something. I'm gonna click a content or niche website, and then how you hear about it from I'm gonna just say Amazon.com, and then just type this in, and then don't forget to hit agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to read it, you can click here and read all of that, and then you can hit finish. And that right there is how easy it is to sign up for it. Just gonna have congrats right here. And now once you're signed up for it, let's go over to Amazon.com. So once you come here, it's gonna have this bar across the screen, so now you can promote anything you want on the website. So let me just click on something. So I'm gonna click this, and let's see here, I'm gonna just click this, and then right here, once you click on any product, you can get the link now. So just go right here under get link, you can hit text, and right here, this link right here that's highlighted, you can put in your blog post or your social media content or wherever you want, so you can promote and start earning. And that's how easy it is to start earning with affiliate marketing using Amazon Associates. I wish it was. I'm just kidding. It's not that easy, because it actually takes time to, build up an audience so you can start earning with it. But it is that easy to sign up for it. And now that you're signed up for it, you need to now choose your niche. So if you don't know what type of products you want to promote, it's really easy. Just go to Amazon.com and, just search through everything. So you can go with anything from the home niche, or, the healthy cooking niche, or just regular cooking, or, different lights or plants, or, bedding, leggings or clothing, or even seasonal niche that's like with rakes or shovels or anything, or the pet niche. It's a lot of different niches, the book niche that you can go with. So it's not that hard to find your niche. So let's say I wanted to go with the bedding niche. I would click on this again, and you can see all of these sheets. And so in the bedding niche, you got your sheets, you got your duvets, you got your covers, the throws, and the blankets. So you have a lot of different things you can promote in each niche, because it's not just going to be one product in each niche. So just remember that when you're choosing a niche, you can promote multiple items, which is nice, because you can create content around it, a lot of content, especially if you're using SEO. So I'm gonna go with the sheets niche, but just go through Amazon and see what type of products you want to promote. And then once you choose your products, like let's say I want to go with this sheet set right here, I can get the link, and I can post this anywhere I want to. So that's what's amazing about Amazon Associates. Even if you're brand new, you can promote a lot of thousands of different products, really, from tires and car parts all the way to the gaming niche. So just make sure you pick a good niche too. You don't want to pick something like like unicorns or something, because that'd be pretty hard to promote, because it's not a high enough volume for people that's searching for it most likely. So just make sure it's, you know, popular to, you know, the slightest, where enough people are searching it up and will want to buy it. Okay, once you choose your niche, it's time to choose what platform you want to promote on. And some of my favorite ones, the first one is going to be Medium.com. Medium.com is a free blogging platform that you can sign up for. I've been blogging on here for about a year now, and it's amazing. So you can come over here and just sign up with a Google account. So I'm gonna log in because I already have an account. And it's really easy to start on Medium.com. All you have to do is come over here to write, you know, and then right here you put in your title, you put in a photo, and then tell your story. So let's say you wanted to use ChatGPT to get you wanted to blog and get your post content. So I'm gonna go to chatgpt.com. I actually use something called Jasper AI. It's like the better version of ChatGPT, but it costs money, so I'm gonna just use the free version of ChatGPT for this video, so I can show you how you can make content. So just come over to the product and, you know, just read about it. Or what you can do is just copy this right here and then head back over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and then say, write me a blog post about this product. And then hit enter, and then ChatGPT is going to spit out a blog post around the product you're trying to promote. So if you want to, you can add some more to it, but for now I'm gonna just take this title right here, copy it, and then I'm gonna come back over to Medium, put it on the title right here. So for the picture, because you definitely need a picture for Medium.com, you want to come over to Canva.com, and then you need to sign up for a new account. If you don't have an account, Canva is an amazing platform. I use it for pretty much everything. And then you want to come over here to create a new design, hit custom size, and then by width by height, you want to put in 1200 by 628, and then hit create new design. And in here is where you can create an image. You know, it's not that hard. So let's go to elements down here, and I'm gonna type in something like bed. You know, I'm gonna just type in bed. And as you can see, I'm gonna go down to the photos, and right here I can see some high quality bedding, you know, for photos. So I'm gonna click on this one, then I'm gonna make it larger like this. Boom, make it a little larger right there. Zoom it up some more, and then boom, right here. And then, you know, I can edit the photo right here if I wanted to. So I like to have it a little darker because I just like the look of it. You can you know, adjust the temperature or anything if you want to. Actually, I'm gonna bring the temperature down a little bit. That look nice too. And then I'm gonna bring the brightness down, and then you can customize it however you want. It don't need to be nothing too crazy, but and then so if you have, you know, a coffee or something, you just type in coffee over here. Or, you know, if you have like something around birds, you just type in birds. So whatever your product is about, you just want to type it in right here, and then once you're done with that, hit download. I'm gonna just download it, and now once I've downloaded, I'm gonna just, you know, paste it into Medium.com, and there's my photo. A nice looking photo, is high quality, and so now I can put in my blog post. So I'm gonna just come over here and paste it. I'm gonna copy all of this, copy, and then I'm gonna come back over here to Medium, paste in my blog post. You know, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit because it looks a little weird right now. You know, it got too many numbers. So make sure you just clean up your blog post and look through it, make sure it looks good. And boom, just like that, I got a high quality blog post. But there's one thing you need to do before you are done. You need to come back over to Amazon and get your link for your product. This is the one under get link right here. So just copy this right here and then come back to Medium. But what you just don't want to paste it in like that. What you want to do is just put in like a sentence describing the product. So I'm gonna put in something like, if you want comfort at an affordable price, you can click here. So I'm gonna just put in a simple sentence right here. You should add a period, and then right here for click here, you just want to highlight click here, and then right here this is going to pop up, and this link right here was 2 chains together. You just want to click on that and then paste in a link to your product, hit enter, and right here you can bold it if you want to, you know, so it can stand out some more. Maybe hit it for italics too. And as you can see, this is a link, so you know it's underlined and boldface and italics, so people know it's the link. This is where they can click to get the product, and then, you know, once people click it, this is what's going to happen. Boom, it redirects them to the product. So once they buy it, you know, you earn a commission off that product. And that right there, you can make as many posts as you want. I would say make 1 post a day on Medium if you're going to Medium route, so you can really maximize your earnings. And you don't need to just make, you know, just one about the same, you know, product. So once you're done with this product, you can find a different one on Amazon. And, you know, like these, let's say you wanted to promote this pillow now, you know, so you can make a whole blog post about this pillow now using ChatGPT. So that's what's amazing about ChatGPT 2 before, because I've been blogging for some years. It took a while just to make one blog post, but it takes like 30 minutes now with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tool, which is amazing because it used to take like a week to make a high quality blog post. So I definitely love that. But that right there is how you can start Amazon affiliate marketing going the medium route. Okay, our final way and one of my favorites to promote Amazon affiliate links is going to be through Pinterest affiliate marketing. This is a W way to promote your affiliate links because Pinterest receives a lot of traffic, and not only this, it's beginner friendly too as well. So let's say you make a pin a week later or even a month later, it can go viral because it does not matter how many followers you have on Pinterest, it still can go viral because Pinterest is a picture search engine platform, which means your chances of going viral skyrocket. So let me show you exactly how you can get started on it. So there's two ways that I do content on here. The first way is I'll go to TikTok and scroll through whatever niche I'm in. So let's say this video right here is one that I want to promote. I will copy this link, come over to an app called Snaptik.app, paste in that link, download it, and once I download it, I can hit create pin, and once I hit create pin, I can go find what I just downloaded, and boom, just like that, without the TikTok logo, I can have it on Pinterest, and I can add in a title, put it to whatever board I want, and then right here, most importantly too, just make sure you credit whoever you got it from. So this is my profile, so I don't need to credit my profile, but let's say this wasn't mine, I would say Mind Motivated, and all I would do is put credit and then just type in Mind Motivated, so people can search up on TikTok or whatever if they want to go see this video on there as well. And then most importantly, once you scroll down, you see add a destination link. So let's say I was promoting a certain product, so let me just go down. Let's say I was promoting this product right here. All I would have to do is come up back over here to Amazon, and then under get link, hit get link, and then under get link, hit text, get the link again, come back over to Pinterest, paste in that link, boom. And then once I post this and somebody goes to the link, it will take them to the product and they can buy it. So this is the first way you can start promoting on Pinterest, is by using videos that's already created from like TikTok or Instagram that you see and looks cool, then you credit them, and then whatever they're promoting in the video, you just go find it on Amazon.com, put it into your Pinterest, and boom, you publish the reel, and if it goes viral or gets a lot of views, you make money. And the second way is you just can create your own pin. So let me show you how to do that as well. So for this, all you need to do is come up to create and then hit create pin, and then right here is going to be a lot of information that you need to put in. So first you need to know what product you want to promote. So let's go over to Amazon, and then let's just search in cooking. Let me see what type of put in cooling. I meant to put in cooking. So let's say we scroll through these products right here, and we wanted to promote this product right here. It looks like a lot of people buy this, 35,000 views. So this is probably a decent product that we can promote. So right here, all you need to do is just save this image right here. So just save image as, and then, save it. And then Canva, what we was using earlier, you want to come back to Canva, hit create new design, Pinterest pin. It should be right here. You shouldn't even have to search it up. So hit create design, it's going to be Pinterest pin right here. What I love about Canva, it's already formatted. That's why I like Canva. A lot of stuff is already formatted. So it's going to be 1000 by 1500, which is the perfect format for Pinterest pin. So you click on it, and right here for design, you can use any words to design whatever you're trying to create. So let's say you was promoting coffee, then you just type in coffee right here. Or let's say you was promoting tech products, just search in tech products right here, like cameras or gaming or whatever it is. So just type it in right here. For me though, it's cooking, so I'm gonna type in cooking, hit search, and right here all these cooking different themes come up. So I think I like this one right here, cooking time, create a menu with confidence, and then just customize however you want. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and then right here is add. So my account name is Dream Like Cooking, so I'm gonna put it in for like a branded feel, push it down a little more. And then the product that we downloaded, what we want to do is just go to upload files and paste in that product. And now we just can put the product right here, edit the photo, and then right here where it say background remover, you can hit that. But this background remover is only for Canva Pro, which costs $10 a month. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can leave it like that, that's fine. But I'm gonna hit background remover, and as you can see, that looks really nice with the background removed. So I'm gonna put it right here, and then I'm gonna get rid of that, and then I'm gonna put that right there, and then boom, that's our design right there. You know, it did not take us long to create that at all. So you can even make this bigger if you wanted to. So I'm gonna make that a little bigger, and then boom, that looks amazing. You know, it looks like a really nice Pinterest pin. And then all we need to do once you're done is just hit download, and then, you know, just hit download again. And then once it's downloaded, come back over to Pinterest and paste in what you're downloaded, and boom, there it is. Cooking time, Dreamlike Cooking. There's our pin. You know, put it to whatever board that you want it as, and I'm gonna have it in cooking recipes because this is, you know, cooking. And then you need to add your title, so you can just add in something, you know, explaining the product, like the perfect pot for noodles. You know, you just add in something like that, and then put in a little description. Then, you know, you can put in a few hashtags like hashtag cooking right here, and then boom, just like that, you got your pin. And then lastly, you need to put in your link from the product. So I'm gonna go back to the product right here, go up, hit get link under text, and then copy that text, copy it, and then I'm gonna come back over to Pinterest and put that in. Boom, right? Like just like that, we got us a nice pin that's promoting our product. All you need to do is make 1 to 3 pins a day. So because, you know, the more you make around different products, it doesn't have to be the same product, the greater your chances is going viral and having a lot of sales towards your pin. So it's that easy. This is how I built up my account on Pinterest for this one. Over 1,000 followers and over 50K views per month. It's just by this simple method right here. So just make sure you're creating enough content on Pinterest. All right, and that easy, you can start Amazon affiliate marketing. It's not that hard. All you need to do is, you know, sign up, choose your niche, choose what platform you promote on, and create your content. The hardest part for people is just staying consistent and creating the content, because it does take time. You know, this isn't a 1 or 2 week process, or not even a 1 or 2 month process. You need a few months to really get started with this, especially if you're, you know, going to SEO route with a website, or even, you know, on blogging or Pinterest. You just want to make sure you give it time and create enough content, and don't quit too early, because it can really become a nice passive income through affiliate marketing when you really put it in place and start getting that experience out there. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wish you luck in your online income and affiliate marketing journey. Until next time.